Guys, welcome back to the Driven Mindset. And yes, your boy's in a Corolla and I have my tire lights still on. Okay, yes, I'm working on it. But in the meantime, we're driving home from a busy day and we're in the lovely Miami traffic. And since I'm in the traffic, I might as well make this video for you guys because I read a comment and basically from Great Beyond 74, he was basically saying that used cars are just as expensive as brand new cars. So let me show you what to do, what the goal is. Okay, I recently just bought a 2025 Camry. Okay, the goal is to buy yourself either a brand new reliable car or a used car, okay, and keep it for 10 to 15 years. Okay, this is a 2012. We got it in 2014. So you got to understand that we got this car fairly new. It was still under factory warranty when we got this car. Okay, now it's 2015. All right, 246,000 miles later. Okay, the goal is to hold on to it. So example, I bought a 2025 Camry. Okay, the goal is to keep that for 10 to 15 years. Let's say 7 years from now, 2032, Toyota released a 2032 Camry. Guess what? I'm not gonna buy it because I have a 2025 Camry that I'm planning to keep for 200 to 300,000 miles. So the goal around 2032, with inflation and cost of living goes up, okay, the 32,000 Camry is probably going to be about $37,000. So about $5,000 of inflation will be going on. Okay, so around 2032, when the average price for a basic Camry probably going to be around $41,000, $42,000 out the door, I don't have to worry about paying $40,000 for a car because I have my old, by then, 2025 Camry. As long as I keep up with the maintenance, it should be good on the road. That's the whole purpose of saving money. That is, like, when you keep these cars for 10 to 15 years, that is when you start able to get your money worth out the car. So I'm not really bashing on buying brand new cars. There's a way to buy a brand new car, but you gotta have a plan. So find something reliable. It don't have to be Toyotas. It's just that Camrys and Corollas, or even a Honda Accord or Honda Civics, those cars are known to have 300, 400,000 miles when you take care of the maintenance correctly and you don't wait for anything to break. You do it when it's supposed to do it. You do it when the manual tell you to do it. Those cars could see 400, even 500,000 miles. The goal is to keep the car, guys. It's okay if you finance a brand new car right now at, kind of high interest, even though right now it's kind of crazy. We kind of in a post-recession, a pre-recession, and the interest rates are going down, and that's a whole nother different video with the Federal Reserve right now with interest. But the goal is to get into a reliable car. It doesn't have to be used. To be honest, the reason why I bought the 2025 Camry, because when I was looking at the used market, when I went to the dealer, they had 2024, 2023, and it was only like $4,000 difference. So I was like, wait a second, for $4,000 I could get a brand new car with 5 miles on it, and the 2025 Camry is a completely redesigned car. So I was like, wait, for $4,000 I could get the completely new redesigned Camry, and that's why I decided to do it. But the goal is to keep that car for a long time, guys. It's not just to get it. When you got to think about the future. If it's feasible to get into a brand new reliable car, go ahead and get it, but hold on to it. Try to pay the car off soon as possible. This car right here, we paid it off 2 years early. My new Camry, is on a 60-month finance. It's going to be paid off within 1 year. So I'm paying the car off 5 years early, guys. I'm not getting hit with that much interest. So when you finance the car, try to pay it off as soon as possible. The sooner you pay off the car, the less interest you will pay on that car, the less upside down you're gonna be if you want to get rid of it. But I don't know why you want to get rid of it. The whole goal is to hold on to the car and let it pay for itself. Brand new Camrys, brand new Hondas, brand new Civics, brand new Corollas, they're gonna see 300, 400,000 miles long as you keep up with the maintenance. Just keep up with the maintenance and hold the car for 10 to 15 years, and you will be like me right now with a 2012 Corolla in 2015, driving it with no problem. Even though I know my light is right there, I know I'm working on it. I've just been busy. I'm always busy, but I have no issue with this car. No other check light is on, guys. I just spent about $2,000 in doing the 200,000 mile maintenance. So you gotta understand, guys, I do invest money into the car to keep it up and running. But guess what? A $2,000 maintenance is gonna keep this car for the next 100,000 miles. The only thing I need now is oil change, brakes, and tires. You notice I don't race this car. I don't do nothing stupid. Just point A, point B. That's it. So you could buy a brand new car, but have a plan to hold it for a long time. And just stay away from German cars. Just stay away from the used BMWs, the used Mercedes. Stay away from those super high maintenance car. If you get yourself a low maintenance car that's known to have good liability, you could buy it brand spanking new and just hold on to it. Just hold on to it, and you will see your money start working for you. Like, I have no regrets. Like, I own 3 different Toyotas. Well, I own a Lexus, but Lexus is basically Toyota. So I own a Corolla, a Lexus GS 350, and the Camry. So that's just to tell you how good these cars are, okay? Like, the Camry is like the #1 selling sedan in America right now, 2025, if I'm not mistaken. So there's a reason why it's the #1 selling car right now, okay? Like, just follow the trend. But you don't have to get Corollas, okay, or Camrys. I'm just saying. So to buy a brand new car, pay it off early, and keep it, okay? Don't be that guy that, 4 years from now, there's a brand new design come up, I gotta be the guy with the brand new model. That's the problem. Stay away from instant gratification. Stay away from trying to keep up with the Jones. Do what's best for you. Save your money, invest your money into the market. Like, invest your money into the market, bro. So hopefully this answer your question, or anyone's question about when is the right time to buy a brand new car. Buy it when you plan on owning it for more than 10 years. If you're planning on buying something and get rid of it in 3 years or so, just lease it. Just lease it. And if you have a business, then that'd be great, because you can write off some of your lease payment. But that's a whole nother video with taxes and deductions. But I see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm getting such good reaction right now. I'm just gonna keep going, keep my foot on the gas. The goal is to drop one video per day minimum. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.